Hello HCMC stock holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video we are going to discuss the price prediction and price update of the HCMC, and we are also going to discuss the future of the HCMC stock. Is the price pump, is the price dump more in the future or not? Let me show you, but before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, at this time, first of all, if we talk about the price changes of the HCMC stock, so everything is going neutral. You can see 0.0000% the changes is going neutral, and if we look here, so now the currently line is going neutral, zero, my friends. Not the price dump, not the price pump at this time, my friends. But my friends, you can see they are also in the pumping mode. You can see here, if we look at this time the price chart, so they are also in the pumping mode. So I think that there is a possibility to they continue this pump, and maybe my friends the price falls down, but I think that a lot of possibilities that the price will pump. Other side, my friends, if we talk about the highest price of the HCMC stock, so now you can see that is the currently price 0.0011 USD dollar, and now the currently price is the highest price of the HCMC stock, and the opening price of the HCMC stock is 0.0010 USD dollar. That is the today opening price of the HCMC stock, my friends. So my personal prediction about HCMC stock is going positive, and my friends, I also tell you in my many videos that please invest more and more in the HCMC stock, because HCMC stock is good for an investment at this time, my friends, in the market. Hope you like this video, and tell me your prediction, your opinion about HCMC stock in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends.